This is an overview of this baxi 138 boiler. Now on Thursday this got surfaced when I was at school, and the burner is broke, but it still heats up the radiators and water perfectly well. But it's just that it's really loud when you turn the heating and the water on. So I'll just move this out of the way, get the cover off. Here's your buttons. I'm not going to press them. It's at 1 bar. I might make a video of how to repressure the boiler if it gets too low, because it usually gets low a lot. So I'm going to take it into the living room. This is the big button goes up. And there's the thermostat, and I'm going to turn it. Right, it clicks. 21. And then the bars are gone down. Now listen to this racket. See? Listen. Front's vibrating. Hear the gas going into the burner. So on Monday, next week, we're going to get a brand new burner. And then I'll make a video and see what it sounds like. Feel the flame in the burner. I wish it had a little hole so you could see the flame, like some boilers do, like glowworm and some baxis. But it's only got a hole in the inside cover when you take the cover off. It's heating up to 53 degrees now. Now this is the instruction manual. Mine's got a dedicated reset button. Now, here's your problems. We've had LE fan overheat thermostat 4 times of this, and I was running a bath and the boiler broke because I didn't know we had no hot water. Baxi combi 130 HD condensing combination boiler. It never ever goes. I don't know if it's gone to off before the boiler. So it does it automatically when the boiler's not been in use for a while. It's not feel a bit warm now. Off indicates the summer setting. Hot water will be provided when the tap or shower is turned on. And you have to press that button so that you know to turn the boiler on. Exactly at 1 bar. Getting warm. This house has only got 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 radiators. Got to 70 degrees now. There's the sink. Some boilers don't have, some baxis don't have these indicators, but mine are only on the fascia. But mine's located on the logo. I video it on the whole cycle actually. We've had 2 parts replaced in this. I can't remember, I think it was the fan. So it was fan of it was overheating thermostat fan and what LE indicates. Now, in 2010 or 9, I turned the heating on, and then the boiler went off, and and that indicator went on. I opened up the cover, and it went LE. And then the boiler repairman came to fix it, and when he went away, turned the heating on, it just went straight back to LE again. .5 bar now. It's not so warm now. I might make a video when this gets repaired. It feels warm under the fascia. That's where the burners are located on the boiler. Maybe it's like we fit a cupboard, like put this behind a cupboard door, like some boilers are. Use this new seat. Don't know what that's. It's at 83 degrees still. This timer, if you want it, because it's an automatic central heating. 84. This has took 9 minutes to go into full temp. I don't know what any of these buttons do. Some boilers have a lot of them. Mine's only got a timer, pressure gauge, little LCD display with 6 buttons. It's a good boiler because the radiators do get very hot around the house, but and when the burner goes off, that will drop to 25 or 21. So it's the temp of the burner when it turns off. Curtain radiator. Very hot indeed. Well, this house got built in 2003 or 4. Where if I live here for the rest of my life and this boiler keeps breaking down, I'm going to have to get a new one. When we get the new burner on Monday, this will sound much quieter. I wish I had a little hole on the cover so you can see the flame of the burner. It just looks pretty dull, it's just plain stainless steel white. I don't know what crow's doing on my fence, so I'll zoom that in. Might tell it to shoo. Show you stupid crows. I think 84, 85 degrees is maximum for the bar. Don't know what that button does, but I'm not going to press them. It takes 12 minutes for all that, for all the radiators to heat up to 85. Oh, there you go, 85. Don't know why it's flashing, because all baxis do. .6 bar, that's alright. Don't know if you can take this plastic thing off. Don't know what C8 stands for. Now baxi boilers just have a little flap instead of taking the whole thing off altogether. This. It's a big cover. 86 degrees now. That's warm. That's what CH means. These are faults. LO, L2, 7, 8 and 9. Well, we've only had LE or LO, I don't know. To repressurise the boiler, you have to get behind this cover. Well, I'll try and take it off to show you. That's my mum's handbag. $87. This is a heaty baxi group boiler. "15 minutes. With its second run after this, the burner won't go on. "88 degrees now. Hear the ticking, it's just the clock. This has took 16 minutes for all that water to heat up in the radiators. Boiler will go off eventually. "89? I might reach 90 if it might." The bar is going up. It's 1.7 now. Got a timer on it. Oops. Minute. It's trying to reach to 90. There you go, 90. That feels very hot now, that. Doorbell at the top. If we had to have a new extractor fan fitted years ago, I would never want to use it. Kitchen is pretty small. 20 minutes for all to reach to 90. There you go. Burner's gone off and that's going to go on to 25. That took 20 minutes to heat up the radiators in the boiler. Will go off. It's gone to 2. I'm going to turn the heating off. Now that means the bar. So that is took 20 minutes. The bar gauge has started to go down. There you go.